Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another tutorial of Actions. So today topic is about Python modules, how to create modules in Python and what are the effective ways to use module in Python. What are the built-in modules in Python? Press the subscribe button. Also like our Facebook page, which is Actions tutorial. So let's begin. So I created here a class and some variables over here and created a module file over here, which extension is .python, and I created a simple Python file of car here, right? Module is to gather information or store some set of information like functions, classes, variables, dictionaries, arrays, etc., and we can use it or reuse it multiple times with in other classes or in other Python files, right? So we created a module here which named as module vehicle right here. So let me zoom it and show you. This is the module vehicle, and here I created a file with Python extension. So let create a class over here which known as car, right? And to use a module, we just say keyword import module vehicle, right? So this is module vehicle and this is the class. So let's say I want to create a object of this particular vehicle class, right? So let's see what this module gives us, right? So let's say module vehicle dot, right? So it's give ABC variables and this is the class. So let's call this class and let's say this is the variable equals to this, and these are the this is the object of the class, right? And what we have to do here, we will say vehicle dot set company. The company is equal to Suzuki. Okay, then the vehicle dot set model. The model of Suzuki is Alto, right? And then set price, right? So the price is about 7 lakh, right? We just set these values in this file. So let's see what we get if we print these, right? So just get the price first, right? Vehicle dot get company vehicle dot get model, right? We just set the values over here and get the values over here. So just control S and F5 to run and see. Price is 7 lakh, company is Suzuki, and model is Alto, right? So let's say we want to import built-in file which is maths, right? Math is a built-in Python file. So let's say what math object have, right? So let's just say, so let's say acos h, and these are sine 10. So let's see how to use these functions, right? So let's say we use power, right? Power means to just give the power of 2 by 2, right? So save it and F5, run, and let's wait. So we have to initialize these values and print the value in this variable. So let's say power of A is 2 by 2 equals to whatever it will return, right? So let's say what it returns. So it's say 4.0, right? So if we want to say 3, so save it and F5, then see what it will return. It will return 8, right? So let's try another module, which JSON, right? So let's create here a dictionary. So the value name equals to Uruj, and then age colon is 20, then height colon 5.5 and save, right? Then what we will do here, so now what we will do here, we will say JSON dot dump, right? What dump means? To array, list, or anything into JSON format, right? So we will shift this and store it in some variable. So let's say variable equals to b, and that's it. Now if we want to print it, then just print b, right? B. Save it and F5 to run. So done. F5 to run. Now let's see, it's just print our JSON, right? So what we learned today, we just learned how to use modules. What are the predefined modules or built-in modules in Python? There may be a lot, but I use 2 of them. The first one is math and the second one is JSON, and I created here the module vehicles. So hope you will like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends. Also invite your friends on our Facebook page, which is Ukidections Tutorial. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay happy, stay connected with us. Catch you later with other exciting tutorials. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.